Hello, this is BakaGirl100, and this is a video on how to make Max's Helios. So, here's the card. Get Neo Drago and just pull out his peg, and now he's ready. Now we take Spit on and fold everything in. Except for the tail, and pull up his peg. Now he's ready. Spider fencer. Just take all the little thingies out. And then once you've got them all out, you take the head, close it with the tail like that, and then look here, and then click these down and leave these ones up. And then he's ready. You take Brachion and fold these thingies, push it in closer, and then turn it like that. And then pull out its peg. And it's ready. Do the same thing with Grapheus. You take this and then turn it like that. And then pull out its peg. Like that. And that one's ready. And then you take, which one is this? Graphisound. And all you do is fold this down. Fold his head in and pull this, wait, hang on, I messed up. Push this head back, pull forward like that, and then pull his legs out. And then push them forward into those little cracks right there. Like that, and pull out his pick. And you have that one. And then here's Darkhound. You do the same exact thing. Like that. And push them forward. And there's Darkhound. And then all you do is take Neo Dragonoid again, and then put Spit on. Oops. Hang on. There we go. And then take him and put him on the first hole. 2 holes. First one. Push them on there. Good. Until you hear the click. And then just leave them like that. And then take, where is it? And just take the legs, which are Darkhound and Graphisound, and push them into these holes on Spit on. Oops. Then you have the bottom half. And then you take Grapheus fit on Graphius, and then push it in to his arm. Like that. And there's his left arm. And here's his right arm. Like that. And then take Spider Fencer on the peg on the back of Max Arachnoid, and just push it in the second hole right here. Second hole. Push the peg into the second hole, and then you have his guns up here. See? Guns. And that's how you build Max Arachnoid. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to Bakugirl 100. Thanks. Bye.